So the number of different selections will be the coefficients in the expansion of 1 plus ax plus a square x square into 1 plus bx. Now, so if we replace a and b by 1, we will get the number of ways of selecting R objects from this multi-set. So, the number of ways of selection is obtained by putting a equal to b equal to 1. So therefore, when a equal to b equal to 1, so therefore we will get generating function 1 plus x square into 1 plus x gives the number of ways of selecting R objects from the multi-set. So here we have the multi-set 2a 1. So let us look at a few problems for finding the generating function and then finding the required number of selections. So find the number of ways to select 4 members from the multi-set M equal to set 2b 1c 2d 1. So let us denote the sequence AR by the number of ways of selecting R objects, and let us write the generative function corresponding to AR. So let AR be the number of ways of selecting R objects from M. Then the generating function of AR is, so that will be 1 for 2 B 2 times under B can be selected 0 time, 1 time or 2 times. So corresponding to B we will get 1 plus x square, and corresponding to C can be selected 0 times or 1 time. For 1 plus x varum, D varumbo 1 plus x square varum, and E varumbo 1 plus x. So this corresponds to B, this is for C, this is for D, and this is for E. So this will be okay. So if you take the product of first two, so the product is going to be 1 plus 2x plus 2x square plus x cube. Then the random product is same than varum, so whole square. So 1 plus 2x plus 2x square plus x cube whole square. So therefore the number of ways of selecting 4 members from this, that will be the coefficient of x raised to 4 in this expansion. Okay. So therefore the number of ways of selecting 4 objects will be equal to the coefficient of x raised to 4. So let us write it as 1 plus 2x plus 2x square plus x cube into 1 plus 2x plus 2x square plus x cube. Now let us find the coefficient of x raised to 4. So x raised to 4 into coefficient the 2x into x cube. So 2 varum, then 2x square into 2x square 4 varum, and x cube into plus 2. So value is going to be 8. So the number of ways of selecting 4 objects will be equal to 8. So let us write it as a result. So if you have a general multiset, so let us write the expression for the generating function. So let AR be the number of ways of selecting R objects from n equal to, so let us take the multiset n dot b1, n1 dot b1, n2 dot b2, etc. nk dot bk. Then the generating function for the sequence AR is given by so corresponding to b1 you will have 1 plus x square plus etc. X bar n1 varum. So this is corresponding to b1. Then for b2 1 plus x square plus x bar n2 varum. So 1 plus x square plus etc. plus x bar nk. So this corresponds to b2 up to. So coefficient of x bar r will be equal to the value of a. So this is how we find the number of ways of selecting R objects using the generating function. Now let us look at the number of ways of selecting R objects from an infinite multiset. So let AR be the number of ways of selecting R objects from the multiset n equal to, so let us take infinity dot b1, infinity dot b2, etc. infinity dot b. Now let us look at the generating function. So generating function for AR will be equal to നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ചെയ്ത പോലെ തന്നെ ചെയ്യുക. So generating function so b1 is repeating infinite times, so you will get 1 plus x square plus etc. So it will continue infinitely many terms. So again this is for b1, then b2 select ചെയ്യാനും same 1 plus x square plus etc. So this is for b2, and for bk 1 plus x square plus etc. So this is for bk. So this will be 1 plus x square plus etc. whole power k times varum. So this is the series for 1 by 1 minus x. So therefore the generating function is 1 by 1 minus x whole power k. Now if you look at the summation for this, so that is summation k equal to 0 to infinity r plus k minus 1 c r x bar r. So this is in the form n plus r minus 1 c r. നമ്മൾ നേരത്തെ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളതാണ് number of selections from an infinite multiset. So therefore here AR will be equal to r plus k minus 1 c r. So that is the required number of ways of selecting the